Hello viewers. Today we're here for an exciting video where we'll compare two different heater models. We'll evaluate critical features together to determine which heater is best suited for you. By comparing these heaters, each with its own unique advantages, we'll embark on a journey to find the best option for you. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Now, let's hit the road together to determine which heater is the right choice for you. For heating mode and fan mode. The small heater rapidly heats up within 2 seconds with PTC ceramic heating, a more energy-efficient technology. Stay warm and cozy in your office or small space with this compact and efficient electric space heater. Smart thermostat. The built-in sensor supports the basic thermostat function. Link with thermohygrometer to accurately reflect the ambient temperature without manual adjustments for an upgraded thermostat. Thermohygrometer not included. APP and voice control. Turn on the space heater even when away from home so you'll always return to a warm space. Dual use of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi makes network distribution easier and faster. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Low noise and RGB night light. In low power mode, the sound of the Govee Life space heater working is lower than 45 dB. Change the different modes of light via Govee Home app to warm your whole night. Safety features. More surprises waiting for you. Tip-over protection, overheating, safety lock, and timer. Protection for safer use around kids, pets, suitable for indoor spaces such as living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Supported thermohygrometer models. The following models are compatible with the thermohygrometer: H5075, H5179, H5100, H5074, H5174, H5102, H5051, H5052, H5071, H5072, H5101, H5177, H5103, H5106, and B5178. Faster heat than ever. Powered by Drio Hyperamics technology. Atom 1 space heater heats up more efficiently with up to 1500 W working power, reaching your desired temperature immediately, letting you feel fast, balmy heat straight away. This portable heater is meant to sit by your feet on the floor, near your hands on a desk, or carry around indoors. Add our small heater to your cart and experience our amazing heater and customer service. Heating coverage 200 SQ-IFT Shield 360° protection. Heat up your day and night without worries. ETL listed, Shield 360° system provides tip-over and overheat protection, as well as an enhanced safety plug. Along with UL94V0 flame retardant materials to ensure ultimate safety in all aspects. Save more on energy bills. Eco mode adjusts the heat level automatically to reach your desired temperature while saving more on energy bills. Personalize your own comfort with the digital thermostat from 41 to 95. Adjustable in 1 increments. Precise heat, precise comfort. Warm, any angle. Experience the heat that envelopes you in the widest way possible. 70° wide-angle oscillation sweeps around to cover the whole area, providing wide-reaching heat for your bedroom, garage, basement, office, desktop, etc. Engineered to be quieter, brushless DC motor and 9 aerodynamic blades smooth out airflow and eliminate air turbulence, delivering soft, tranquil warmth. As quiet as 37.5 dB, you can sleep or work with peace of mind, heat the way you like. With various modes, high, medium, low, eco, fan only. The heat comes in many forms, from powerful heat to more energy-saving eco heat. Drio Atom 1 electric heater with remote control easily provides the balance you want between heat and energy saving. This Drio 1500 W room heater is lightweight. You're able to carry a portable heater whenever you go. Space heaters for home, for large room, for inside living room, bedroom, basement, office, and more. Voltage 120.